Most people recognize IoT, smart thermostats, fitness trackers, voice assistants. But when we add an extra I for Industrial IoT, or IIoT, the stakes, the scale, and the technology all change. We're going to break down the differences between the two. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. IoT focuses on convenience for consumers, controlling devices, collecting lifestyle data, automating small personal tasks. IIoT is built for operations, manufacturing lines, payment terminals, warehouses, energy systems, medical equipment, and automated retail. It doesn't just connect things, it keeps businesses running. IoT devices usually operate in predictable, controlled spaces, like homes and offices. IIoT devices live in the field, factories, retail floors, trucks, hospitals, construction sites, environments with vibration, interference, extreme temperatures, moving parts, and limited local IT staff. They must work without disruption, often unsupervised. Consumer IoT can tolerate occasional lag or short outages. IIoT cannot. These devices require high availability, low latency and minimal jitter, traffic prioritization, and true redundancy, often across multiple networks. Because a connection failure can mean transaction losses, halted automation, inventory blind spots, or stalled logistics. IoT plans sold to consumers often introduce data caps, throttling, or network deprioritization once usage limits are hit. In IIoT, data use is engineered under business policies, contracted performance, and service-level guarantees, predictable throughput, prioritized connections, and secured communication paths. IoT security centers around consumer privacy and basic encryption. IIoT security centers on segmentation, routing control, and network policy at scale. It often includes private APNs, managed firewalls and ACLs, VPN tunnels for inbound access, and strict separation between operational traffic and public internet flows. This keeps critical systems protected, even when deployed at scale. If you're building automation that must stay online 24/7, you're moving into IIoT territory, where connectivity is part of the infrastructure, not an accessory. To learn about our multi-network SIM for your smart devices, check out our site. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.